Let's get a shuffle on and get our truffle on. Hello and welcome to Big Friendly Grub. I hope you are well. At the time of recording, Mother's Day is just around the corner, and because I love my mum, I want to get her something, but unfortunately I'm a bit broke at the moment, so I'm going to do what I always do when I'm broke, and that's make something, because it's a great way of showing people that you care by making something, because it's homemade, it shows you put some effort in, some thought in. So I want to make some truffles for her. But my mum's a diabetic, so I don't want to make some like really sweet, sugary truffles because that won't be good for her. But I want to make some nice sugar-free truffles, and they're also not going to have anything like cream or anything like that in them. It's just going to be a few ingredients, and I'm adding avocado in for some creaminess, some nice good fats, but not making them super unhealthy. I mean, they're still going to be a bit unhealthy because they're truffles, but they're not going to be like loaded with loads of bad stuff. It's just going to be a handful of ingredients, and they're going to be really, really simple. So simple, I think you should try them at home. So let's get started and make some truffles. Right, first things first, I just want to sort out my avocado. So I've got 2 small avocados here. 1 large avocado will probably do as well, but these were quite small, so I've used 2. I'm just going to pop that into a little food processor. Pop on the lid, and then I'm going to blitz this up until it's nice and smooth. There we go, we've got some lovely smooth avocado there. So I'm going to pop that to one side and take those blades out because that's not safe. And next I want to sort out my chocolate. I've got dark chocolate here, which is sugar-free. Make sure it is sugar-free because otherwise there won't be sugar-free truffles. And I'm going to pop this into the microwave. So I'm going to drop my expensive camera, please don't do that, Matthew, and I'm going to take my chocolate and pop this into the microwave. Please don't see how dirty my microwave is. So I'm going to pop that in to the microwave and just do it on like 20-second blast until it's nice and melted. Come on, Matthew, get it right, there we go. And after each blast, I'm just going to move it around just to help it stop like burning, basically. There we go. Our chocolate is nice and melted and glossy. So I'm going to take that over here. Then I've just transferred my avocado into a bowl. I'm going to pour in my melted dark chocolate. Then I'm adding in about a ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of orange extract to kind of make them into chocolate orange truffles. You could use anything. You could use vanilla, you could use coffee, whatever your little heart desires. Then I'm just going to mix that all together. Then once that's all combined, just pop it into the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes to firm up a bit so we can shape it into our truffles. Right, after about 30 minutes, this is at a point where it's solidified enough where I can just hand work nicely and I'll be able to shape this into truffles. So I'm just going to use a teaspoon here just so I can basically portion things out easily. I'm just going to roll these into balls. And then I've got some cocoa powder here. I'm just going to coat this in the cocoa powder. And then I'm just going to repeat that until I've got no mixture left. There we go, we've got 8 lovely looking sugar-free chocolate orange truffles. You could, if you want more, you can double up the recipe, but I think these will be a little on the rich side, so you probably won't need more than this anyway. And there we go. That is chocolate orange truffles done. Super simple. There we go, there's our sugar-free chocolate orange truffles. Super simple to make, so simple, only a handful of ingredients, and yes, they've got avocado in them, but they look fantastic, and hopefully they will taste really nice. They are going to be a bit rich because there's no sugar in them, but that's the point. And I've made myself a little one here, which will probably be big enough to be honest, because I imagine these will be quite rich, but wanted the full-size ones for my mum. So I'm going to try this one. Hopefully It will taste fantastic. Let's bite it in half. It's rich, but it is delicious. You get that orange come through, which just kind of helps offset that richness. A little bit of the avocado there, but you really can't taste it, to be honest. It tastes like a chocolate truffle. It is super tasty. Really happy with those. They are rich. You probably only need to eat one at a time. And by one at a time, probably like one a day, maybe. I think if you sat and ate those in one go, you might feel a little bit ill. But they are delicious and they are super simple. And if you want a nice gift in minimal effort, then I recommend these. To be honest, I don't really care what anyone else thinks as long as my mum enjoys them. There we go, a nice quick Big Friendly Grub. Super simple recipe. So if you need a nice gift in a pinch, then give that a go. They are very tasty, they are very rich, but they are definitely worth making. But that's it from me this week. It was a nice short one, which I'm sure many people will be glad of because it's less on my face in your face. But I do hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. No, wait, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to find out when new videos are going up. But that's it from me, and I will see you next time on Big Friendly Grub. Bye! That was a very high-pitched bye.